Pet Peeves Part 1.
You know me not like? I'll tell you what me not like. When me I talk to a girl and she go and text. That me not like.
So guys, never ever say
I like to get to know you better.
What me not like either, me have to pay the bill and you say, oh, let's go out. Me not like that shit. Girls them have to go step it up 1 more inch.
So how you going to psst me? And when I don't answer you, turn on and diss me.
Yes, Papa. So me did and thing. And I said, I gotta look ready, you know.
Yeah, look.
She look ripe like a ripe mango. Psst, baby.
Blower, you hungry like you look like a monkey.
Got tuck in your belly.
You're missing your tail.
You look like some rat bat. Tell you what me not like no. Me not like when girl on the table manners like you never get no brought up sick from your mother. Stuff like that. You see like we couldn't take punch up on a date. Embarrassing man.
What you trying to say?
It's when I go to like a market or I get something to eat and I ask, babes, you want nothing? Them no want nothing, right? But by the time you come in the car and sit down and start eat, or you're there somewhere and start eat, them start take your food. That nah go work.
You don't say you don't want none. Eh? I'm going to the supermarket and you say you don't want none.
But I'm hungry now.
That's a reason with a girl on an intellectual level and she can't understand one thing what you say. Not even 2 plus 3, 1 plus 1, AB. So yeah, I just got the phone with my boss, right? And he told me that I have to work on the 4th of July. Can you believe that?
I thought the 4th of July was in like January and stuff.